Hi everyone, I'm Alex Redfern. I'm the CTO of EVS. It is the last day here at NAB. We've been showing some incredible products and solutions this year. We thought we'd give you a quick recap of what we've been showing. Peter, it's NAB, it's the very last day. We've weathered the storm.
Yes.
So this is Peter Schutt, who looks after media infrastructure processing. Can you give us the key messages from this year of what we've been showing?
Well, one of the key messages was that we came with an advanced bridge. So on the same hardware that we have been selling for the last 5 years, we did a major update. We increased the I/O. We made it a fully 32 transparent bidirectional unit. The audio went up 9 times, from 16 inputs and outputs to 144 audio streams in and out. A 4,352 shuffle that is in part. We added audio delay that you can apply to mono channels. We increased the input stage that it is now capable of handling next to the original Class D. We now can handle -7 Class A, B and C. We are happy now with wide senders or packet reordering problems, so a massive update. On top of that, we are showing the updated multi-viewer, all based on the single neuron hardware. Increased input capability, increased output capability, lots of new features with more audio bars, with a much more nicer graphical layout functionality. So, and it was really nice to see the customers being very enthusiastic in this update, existing and new customers.
Just talk to me about power. How much power is that consuming?
Don't forget the power. So every time we talk to customers about it, what you see behind me is a full neuron multiviewer based on one board using only 100 watts.
100 watts.
That is really low.
That's really impressive.
Yeah. So yeah, a great show and great response from our audience.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I'm at Media Infrastructure. We are looking at routing, control and orchestration with Ian Hollenby. Ian, what have you been showing this year?
Right. So NAB this year, we've been showing primarily our capabilities of what we've been working on over the past 6 months. So version 2.7 came out at the beginning of the month. And we've been showing some of the SDN side of things, of routing. We've shown our integrations with kind of third-party devices to see how kind of widespread we control and monitor things. So we had a Wola integration, we had an integration with Matrox. We've been showing things like the UI packages, which are getting more traction. And we're adding more and more to that. So actually the visualization of things like the monitor will make it very kind of easy to understand how you can use a broadcast control system to kind of route and monitor what's going on within the system. What else have we been showing? We've been showing process control. So some of the, again, the blocks that we have for kind of processing, showing how easy it is to actually change that user interface to a customer so they can put their favorites not only on a kind of user interface from a client position, but also the new touch panel that we have. The new touch panel's had a good upgrade, so that's much more responsive than it was now, and actually getting good traction for customers that want to move away from a kind of button per source type panel.
So we've been showing it inside a web page, on a touchscreen, but also crucially integrated into the other solutions like LiveCeption, so Cerebrum inside LSM.
Yeah, exactly. Well. So it's also been good to see more and more integration coming with other kind of product lines that we have. So we've got the XD configuration API, which again is being good. We've also got an integration to the X-Hub VIA, so we can then show people how you can kind of dynamically connect to that and actually control XNet, grouping. So actually, if they've got different customers that they need to actually dynamically change the XNet configuration on, they can do that through a simple user interface rather than getting into the back end engineering.
Nice. So it's a 1 + 1 is 3 approach. When you've got LSM, when you've got Cerebrum, when you've got Neuron View, Cerebrum really glues them all together and gives the user a nice experience.
And it's really becoming, again, the other thing that we've been showing is the integration with VIA Foundation.
Yeah, of course.
So for those customers that are really keen on security, keen on single sign-on, those kind of aspects to the solution, we're showing things that actually other competitive products just don't have that kind of capability, which is also good.
That's great. Thank you very much. Okay. So we've done media infrastructure, LiveCeption. I'm now around at MediaCeption with Jean, who is the solution manager for some of our new products. Jean, what are we showing in the LiveCeption area that is brand new?
Yeah. So we are showing here two new products. One is Move.io, which is a live ingest and playback solution that we are offering for the customers who want to encode live streams or feeds from SDI and also play them back to create a simple playlist to be able to manage those contexts through that we are seeing here. We are also presenting Move Up, which is a file ingest and transcoding solution. So if you have a bunch of files coming from ENG cards, hard drives, or they are on an S3 bucket, you can pick those files, transform it, and push them also to the destinations that you have configured on the product.
So, two brand new solutions. Had a lot of traction at the show, a lot of interest basically to see
Yes.
these new ingest and play out and file to file work.
Indeed, indeed.
Awesome. Congratulations, they look amazing. They look integrated into the EVS
Perfect.
ecosystem, so thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much for joining me at NAB 2025. It's been an amazing show. I hope you've really enjoyed seeing the products and solutions. Thank you to everyone that came. You can see behind me, we are hiring, we are growing significantly. So if you want to join us, please visit our website, evs.com, go to the careers section and look at the open positions. And if anything interests you, please apply. Thank you very much. Thank you to everyone that joined us at NAB. We'll see you again soon at the next one.